Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about a product name is Bullseye blower. Okay, so you should buy this product or not. So you can see over here, this is the official website of this brand, and right now the website is not opening. So basically the product is also available on several websites like amazon.com. The product is easily available, but if we talk about you should buy this product or not, so basically there are lack of reviews. So without reviews we can't say anything you should buy or not, but I can definitely say there are so many product available in the market with these kind of reviews. Like you can see over here, this is a review, oh sorry, this is a product. The product is very good, like electric cordless leaf blower, 50,000 rpm and all. So basically I want to tell you, if you are going to purchase any product on these kind of official unofficial websites, there are chances like your money will be deducted from your account, but you will not get any kind of product. Okay, and in most of the cases this is happening in today's time. Okay, so that's why I'm going to tell you, you should, if you are going to purchase any product related to blower and all, you should go with amazon.com. Only with amazon.com you can easily get the same type of product on amazon.com at very low price, and you can easily return your product. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision, and if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.